Good evening. So let's start. Welcome to day one of the web designing course. I am Ammaar Ghani and I will be your instructor for this course. Before we begin, I want to know what you all think about web designing. Like, how does it help in creating a website? Basic foundations. Okay. What users see, use experience, edit pictures. What for fun? Okay. So let me explain. No idea. Okay. So creating a website involves two main steps. One is the web designing, which is this course. The other is the web development. Imagine you're building a house. The architect of the house will decide how the house looks, the number of rooms, the style, the paint color. The architect will design the house. The builder will build the house according to the concept of the architect. So a web designer acts like the architect of the house. The web designer decides how a website should look, the user experience, and the feel. It is mostly based on the HTML and CSS codes. The web developer on the other side is like the builder. He focuses on creating the functionality of the website. He programs the website to suit the design of the web designer. Got it? Okay. And there's another thing. There are two main types of websites. One is static website and the other is dynamic website. So static, what do you all get from the name? You can get an idea from the name that something is not changing. Dynamic, something is changing. So let me explain. Static website is like a storybook. You can tell it a storybook. Every time you open the book, the content is the same. Nothing changes. If you take a dynamic website, it's like a video game. The actions, the next things are different according to how you play. So dynamic website is suitable for a website like an online e-commerce platform, a social media platform. ಏವಾಗೆ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಹೊರಟು dynamic is okay. Static website, you use it for small businesses to create a personal portfolio, small websites. For that, you use static website. In this course, finally, we'll be learning to create a static good CSS website. Do you all understand the difference between static and dynamic? And the primary requirement you all need to join this course is you all will be needing a computer or a laptop because you have to download certain applications, and by the end of this course we'll be uploading all of your projects to the cloud, to the internet. That means you'll be getting a URL which you can access your projects. So to go up to that extent, we'll be needing a computer. So that will be your only requirement. Internet table, yeah. You can't join the meeting without internet, man. Common sense. We will not be using VS Code. We'll be going from the basics. I'll be using an application called Notepad++. I'll be teaching you how to install it in a while. Electricity on that. You need now. You need, apart from the things which you need to join this meeting, The other requirement, if you are joined from the phone, the other requirement you all need is a laptop or a computer. That's all. Clothes, brain kakone, ade, ati. So the outline of this course. So we'll be having classes every Saturday from 8 to 9 p.m. for 10 continuous weeks. Okay. So after every class, you'll be getting an MCQ worksheet based on what we taught in that day's class. So that MCQ will be consisting of 10 points. One MCQ worksheet will be consisting of 10 points. For 10 weeks, you all will be getting 100 points. Okay. And by after we finished mastering the basics, we'll be starting to develop our website. Thank you, Mohammed. We'll be starting to develop our website with good CSS. I'll teach you with navigation bars, mobile responsive website. At the end of the course, we'll be developing one like that. So for that project, if you all come to that extent, you all will be getting 100 points for that. So totally, you all will be having 200 points. In order to pass this course and get the certificate of completion, you all will be needing to get a minimum of 50% of your points. Your points will be tracked. That's why we require Zoom registration to join this meeting. So if you all want to get the certificate of completion, you all need to complete a minimum of 50%. Okay. And yeah, it's completely free, nothing is charged. And the ones who will be watching the recording from the YouTube, the worksheet link will be set in the description. And if I have to share any PDFs, I'll be tagging them also in the description of the video link. So it's who will provide the certificates? It's actually we, because I'm teaching this course. The certificates will be prepared by someone else. Any other questions? YouTube channel name, it's NextGen Skills. I'll be sharing the link in the WhatsApp group. Don't worry, I'll share the link in the WhatsApp group. Any other questions? Only I'll be teaching. No, okay. So the advantage of joining this course. This is not a degree or a PhD wage loku seen. This is a basic certification course. By the end of this course, what you all will know is to create a basic website, not an advanced website. We'll be mastering HTML for sure, HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript. At the end of the course, if we had time, we'll be touching PHP a bit. But the main objective of this course is to master all in HTML, CSS, and to upload it in a cPanel, upload it in a hosting server, and to manage a cPanel, to manage a website. It's visible on it already. So, no any questions, right? Okay. So let's start. The first thing what I want to do is I want you all to open your web browser, search Notepad plus plus, download. Then you'll be getting a first option like this, download Mevageka. So click on download Notepad plus plus version 8.678. Want you all to search as download Notepad plus plus in the web browser and head over to this link. If I want, I'll share the link in the chat box. Good, Damar. Once you're on this page, I want you all to press this button, the picture. and install the application software. So if you all have installed or once you have downloaded it, raise your hand in the participants list. Uh, phone neke, you can, if you have a phone only, you can actually use HTML online editors to learn HTML with a eye. After that, HTML and inline CSS, you can learn it. But after that onwards, to host it and to control the cPanel and stuff, you can't do it on a phone. Yeah, you can run the setup. Once you have downloaded it, I want you all to double click the setup and install it. What version? You can choose any version, but I have downloaded 8.67. 8.6.7. Sorry. The application is around 4 MB. It won't take time, man. Just 1 minute of maximum 1 minute, download current data. If you are having a very bad internet connection. So if you all have installed, you all can join. Sorry, raise your hand. My laptop is too outdated to download that. Okay, you can spend the money which you spend on food to get a new laptop. Better. Can we download in phone? No. 2 minutes past, still downloading. Where are you living, man? Yeah, you can download the 8.6.9 version. Fine. Any version is fine. In phone, is there an app? Notepad plus plus change the phone. Okay. No, it's not there. You can't do it. Thank you, Abdullah. मगे iPhone ने के दिए ना. No, Akib, you can't have. 9 of them have downloaded it. What about others? Soon, if you want me to repeat the steps, go to your web browser, type Notepad plus plus, download. Then I want you all to head over this to this link, download Notepad plus plus. Then I prefer downloading the Notepad plus plus version 8.6.7. This thing down, click on that, and then click on this picture. Then automatically it will download you a 4 MB application. So once you download it, I want you all to double click on the setup and install it on your computer. I mean, I have a good reply for that. Shall I? No, I pop out. Yeah, 4.7 MB. Okay, Abdullah. Okay, if you all have installed, raise your hands in the participants list. Tell, what to tell, man? Hey, it's not supporting for MacBook. I don't think it's there for Mac. Do you know that? No, I guess no. Why MacBook? Abdullah, none of your business. Yes, Rehab. Shihab, if you are done, raise the hand. I'll give you a few more minutes to install because it's an important application for you to install because we'll be doing all of our practicals there. Right? You can actually download it on the phone from your web browser, but you can't install it. There's no way you can install it. Yes, Shakib, I can see. Okay, Usman. Can run PC emulator on the phone. Rehab, if you are so much dedicated, then I suggest you to make a video and share. Not now, next class. Next, what we have to do? Chip tuck in there. Yeah, I know you have a PC, but you're so dedicated to help the ones who are in the phone. Do you think a phone can support the performance of the PC? So what about others? 16 of them have completed it. Do you want me to repeat the steps or shall I move on? If you all are inactive, then I'll move on. 17 of them will be receiving the certificates. It's fine. 20 seconds. Okay, soon, soon. But it took me just a couple of seconds to download it. Okay, right, next week. Uh, the recording will be in the WhatsApp group. You can rewatch it and do. It's fine. Okay. Abdullah message me in WhatsApp. Okay. Can you repeat what I have to do? Sorry. Ansaf, what you have to do is go to your web browser, type Notepad++, download, then head to this first link over here and click on one of the options which you like, one of the versions which you like, and press download. Click on the image here, then it will download a setup to your computer. Then you can double click that and install it. So I think it's enough time for you all to install and download a 4MB application and install it. So let's start. Abdullah, why did you upgrade it, man? Power Sarama. Okay. Follow your hands. Right. Okay. So To start an HTML, okay, HTML was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. Harida, just an additional information. Don't think I want to explain about him now. The meeting will end at 8 to 9. 9. Yeah, it's not for a Mac. I told you it's not for a Mac. It's a Windows edition. To start an HTML, you first give it an exclamation mark. You open an angular bracket. You give an exclamation mark, and then you put doc type HTML, and you close with the angular bracket. I'll zoom so you can see it. Got it? So the way you define this is not an important step. You can write HTML files without this. This makes, for example, now you save this file and you got a, what you tell for it, comma something. And you come after a long time and you read your codes, you can understand what language is this. So that time you can shape the this doc type is HTML. So doc type is like HTML. This document type is HTML. Amil, I know your name has the word shit, so I can't help it. So after you're done with that step, to start an HTML document, what you'll do is open the HTML angular bracket and type HTML. This is the open bracket for an HTML document. Soon after you open the HTML tag, you have to close it with another HTML tag. The difference between the open tag and the close tag is that the close tag will have a this symbol. No, no, no again. Okay. So you all can type with me, you all can continue with me. So you start by defining the document type as HTML. And after that, you open the angle bracket and type the tag HTML opening tag. Then you close the HTML tag. Okay, so I'll take a website for you to show as an example. Share my whole screen. Wait a minute. Abdullah, you can cancel it. No issues. You can cancel it and continue with your current version. Okay. Now take a look at this website. Okay. Take a look at this website. You all can see that there's a title in the web browser address bar. You can see that there's a title called download notepad plus plus, something like that. So now I'll check it on a different website. Typing google.lk. Then you can see a title called Google. The browser has given it a title called Google. Doc type means the type of the document. It means like document type is HTML. Just to define it. That's not compulsory to include it there, but it's just a way to make it more professional. Yeah, yeah. So you can see that. Now I'll open another website. You'll have a title over here. I'll open another website. Mm. I'll have a title over here. So this is no, called as the web browser title. Sorry, a website title. So how you define a title is, I'll go back to the notepad screen. So once you're done opening the HTML tag and closing the HTML tag, you'll have to open another tag called the head and close the tag again with another head. Okay, what is head? Okay, so HTML has two types. Inside HTML, you can write two types of code. One is the head and other is the body. So what you are doing in the head is the back process, which the users can't see in output. For example, if you take this website, mm, if you take this website, you all can see that there's some information displayed here. Usually your program, not usually, all the time your program this using the HTML structure, you'll program it in the body structure of a website. If you type HTML head and body, I think you can get an idea. It's like this. You all can see this image. So if this is the HTML document, head we write it on the top and body you write it on the bottom. This is better. See, head is the things which the users can't see. For example, it's used to do the search engine optimization, the title of the website, the picture over here, the favicon. These are decided, the style sheets, CSS, all are linked in the head. The body is what the users can see as an output. Got it? Yes, Mohammed, I will teach. Uh, like what will be creating after learning this course. You all will be creating a website like this, not this, not this. You all be creating like a personal portfolio. Okay, not, I'm not yet confirmed on what type of website we'll be creating. We'll be creating a website, interactive, mobile development, something like that. Mobile responsive, something like that we'll be creating. Okay, Amil, watch the recording. Got it? Any questions about that? What is favicon? So favicon is this thing. If you see a website, you usually don't see this title and the favicon in mobile phones. You can only see it in desktop computers. So what you will see is the title over here, right? You can see the title. Next to the title, you'll see a small icon. That icon is called as the favicon. Any other questions? Okay. So once you open the head tag, I want you all to open a body tag below it. Okay. For the body tag below it, do we need to keep spaces? I think you're talking about this. Actually, this is not needed. The reason why I use it's not space, it's actually you use a tab key to move it. So why I use it is if you keep an indentation and write your code, it's easy to read it and understand. Then මේ වගේ කුඩු කොඩ එකක මම දැම්මත් මේ code ටික, if you are reading it in an emergency, you all will definitely not understand. See, if I had it something like this, you all will actually hate it. Just like this means it's not nice. You all can understand it easily. So if it's like this, you all know, head is opening here, body is opening here, it's closing here, HTML document is ending here. Okay, you can understand. No, okay, but I'm not using my Mac. Okay. So the way on how you can set the title of the website is you open a title tag and you close the tag. Make sure you close the tag. Always I recommend when opening paired tags, I want you all to close it immediately. Don't like, okay, I'll open the title and type something and then I'll close it again. Diba. First, open the if you're opening the tag, immediately close the tag and type in the center. Got it? So I'm gonna set the title as my website. Why is that? It is because, for example, HTML doesn't have any compilers and stuff. HTML will avoid all your errors. Even if you type your code with error, will ignore that and display it on the web browser. It will ignore the mistakes. If, for example, if you leave spaces like this, it will ignore those. It will not display the title. It will do some problems to your website. So to avoid those, in case humans can forget. So if you all close the tag immediately after opening it, then it will be easy for you all to debug if any problems arise because you all are perfect in open and closing tags. Got that? So we'll test our website. How to save it? I'll show the basic first tip to save it. Click File, Save As. I want you all to choose a I want you all to choose a new folder for this, and I want you all to name it as. I'll just name it as Ammaar. I have a doubt. Can I unmute and ask? I know why Amil you're asking that question. I exactly know why, but I don't want you to get ashamed with your voice. So you better use the chat. So I'm gonna name it as mm, web.html. I'm gonna name it as web.html. So what I'll have to do is create a new folder for this. Type your name. Anything. I'm choosing web.html. Type that and save as file type. This go click on this and type the press H on your keyboard. Then automatically it will take you to a thing called Haskell on the top. Haskell, Hollywood script, and below that you can see the full form of HTML, hypertext markup language. So click on that and click on save. Done. Do it immediately. Do it immediately. If you all are facing any issues, then tell it here and get it resolved. Done. Done. Others, what about others? Done. Okay. So once you all are done saving, I want you all to press file again and choose open in. Can you show it again? Okay. So press press file, save as, or you can use Control Alt S. Save as. Then I want you all to create a new folder for it to be better organized. Create a new folder. Give it a random name. Give it a random name. For now, we are not going to create the main website. Now we are just learning the basics. So give it a random name. And I want you all to click on this menu over here. There's a drop down option here. Click on it and press the letter H on your keyboard. Once you press it, you can see, don't scroll, don't scroll. You can see that it shows Haskell, Hollywood script, and below that it shows hypertext markup language. So you can click that and you can click save. How to change the color? I think you're telling about dark mode. Yeah, you also prefer dark mode. You can go to settings, preferences. Yeah, where? Okay, settings, preferences, then dark mode and choose dark mode here. Do you all want it in dark mode or light mode? What's better? Okay, majority is with dark mode. Amil, don't call your language here, man. It's not, there's nothing called nigger mode here. Epa, don't shame your own self. Light mode, light mode, dark mode. The majority is dark mode, so I'll stick with dark mode. If you all have any issues, it's your computer. You can set it light mode, dark mode, it's your wish. Okay. So once you're done with that, I want you all to press file again, save it, and press file and click on open in default viewer. The fourth option. The fourth option, click on it and open. So once you open it, you can see that your web browser Oh, sorry. Your web browser will display your website. Nothing will be displayed here because we did it in the head tag. Shakib, not needed. You did it in the head tag. So head tag, if you do it, it will not be visible in the website, main screen, the body of the website. Okay, so you can see that it shows the title as my website. Now I'm going to change it to my first website. Let's see whether it updates there. Type here and press Ctrl S to save it, or you can do it manually. Go to file, then save, press karla save karanta command. Then I want you go to the web browser again and reload your page. So you all can see that it has updated to my first website. Can I do a quick recap? So what I did, Abdullah, was I saved my file. I saved my file using the extension of HTML. Then I clicked on file, open in default viewer, and opened it in my web browser. Then it showed as my website name. I changed it to my first website here. I pressed Ctrl S and saved it. Then I reloaded the page in the web browser. Then it showed me as my first web page. Any other questions regarding this? Regarding this. So next, sir, my laptop crashed. Akib, that's why I meant buy a new laptop. Why are you so broke? Sir, fast, please tell again. So if you all have any doubts, without saying tell again, tell me what exactly you didn't understand. So I can exactly teach that part because it's a limited 1 hour session and I can't be wasting all of others' time here. Muhammad, because it should be called as that. No, Amit. Wait. Now even you're asking how to create an advanced website. Wait, this is your first website. Like you all must know the basics. After learning the alphabets, you all can write poems and stories. So now what? Okay. Next, what we're gonna do is we are going to මේ වගේ favicon එකක් දාන්න යන්නේ අපේ website එකට. So for that, to yeah, the recording will be available in YouTube. So to upload a favicon to your website, go to the next line of a title. I want you all to open an angular bracket. Type link. Be careful with the spellings. Type link. Then rel equals to open inverted commas. Type icon carefully. Link rel equals icon. Then I want you all to type href equals open inverted commas, close the angular bracket. Carefully type this code. Carefully. Don't make any spelling mistakes. Carefully type this code. Once you're done with that, raise your hand in the chat. Participants list. I want to see how much of you all are active here. Icon spelling. See here, man. I don't need to spell it. I'm very sad to know that Mr. Kais is spending money to teach you in English media. Spelling for icon is ICON. Okay, if you're done, you can raise the hand in the participants list. Okay. So once you're done typing this code, I want you all to go to your web browser again and type search for some image, any image you like. Give me a suggestion what image I should set as my favicon icon. Let me see some suggestions. Yes, somehow you will need a laptop to do this. Amil, don't tell things which you don't have. Mr. Beast. Okay, eagle, rat, Sri Lankan country, cat, dragon, logo. Where is the answer? I'll find even. Dragon, cricket, Shilpa Sir logo, NextGen logo, MSI, Ammaar Ghani, fire, baseball, car, my face, my face, epa. Okay, I now go search anything on your web browser. Search any. I'll just search for mm, clip art images. I'll just search Ranil Vikramasinghe. Epa bangata. If you want to search it, it's okay. You can just search Ranil Vikramasinghe. What's the spelling? Vikramasinghe. Ah, it's already there. Search Ranil Vikramasinghe and you'll get the image. I don't mind. Okay. Once you all search an image, I want you all to click on your favorite image. Make sure it's not a image like this with multiple things because you can't see it clearly. I want you all to choose an image something like this. Right click on the image and I want see carefully. Right click on the image, not copy link, not copy link. I want you all to press copy image link. See carefully with the nice spectacles. Shakib, I'll get okay, fine. Search some random image, any image you like, search the image. Yeah, Google is better. I use Google. If you all are sticking with something else, it's fine. I don't mind. So search some image. Why don't you use Chrome? Why I don't use? No idea. Edge is fast and better. No, thank you, Ahmed. So once you search the image, I want you to right click on the image and click on copy image link. Done. Once you're done with that, I want you all to head back to your coding and between this href inverted commas in Chrome, what I want to choose. In Chrome also, it's the same procedure. Once you click on the image, enlarge it and right click on the image, then you will be seeing an option menu called, in Chrome, it will be copy image address, I think. It will be copy image address. Click on that and copy the link address. Then once you're done with that, you all can go back to your coding again and paste the link over there. The link which you copied, you all can paste over there. Once you're done with that, I want you to press Ctrl S again and save it. Then go back to your web browser, reload your website. You all should be seeing the icon, the image which you all chose. You all should be seeing the image which you all chose as the favicon of the website. If you all see it like that, I'm lowering all the hands. If you all see it like that, raise your hands. If you all have any issues, then you all can drop in the chat box. Okay, 3 or 4 of them have completed. I have an issue. Amil, what? Amil, I know your issue is that you don't have a laptop. I can't help. I told you. Please do again. Okay. So, Tisra, see, go to your web browser, search an image which you like, any image. For the own image, search karanta. Search karla, right click on the image and click on copy image link. Not copy link. Copy link you can away. Copy image link. Click on that. Can you show the coding? Okay, sure. Sorry. Click on that and then you will be having this is your coding, right? This is your already done coding. Then I want you all to go between the inverted commas of the href here. Then I want you all to paste the link over there. Either paste it and control is save it. Go to your web browser and reload it. You must see your image which you choose as the favicon of your website. If you all see like that, raise your hands in the participants list. You're welcome. How to reload? To reload, you all can press the button over here. In your web browser, you all are having something round වගේ එකක් තියෙනවනේ. Press that and reload. Or you can use Control R. Copy image address. Yes, copy image address. Amil, I'll try to do it next time, but I can't stop doing it for you. So here's the coding. Have quiz today. Yes. After the class, I'll be sending a link in the WhatsApp group. You'll have to click on that. It will be based on what we learned today. I'll have to click on that and complete it. Yeah, you'll be having live quizzes in the last. My image is not reload. Did you copy the image address or image copy link? Okay, okay, you can leave. Buy a new phone. Phone battery dead. Copy image address. Yes, if you're on Chrome browser, it will show you an option called copy image address. Only 8 of them are completed. What about others? If you all are done, I want all to raise your hands in the participants list. Okay. Prem Kumar, once you copied it, I want you to go between the inverted commas of the href tag here. In your coding, go to, it will be like this. Your coding is like this. This is how your coding looks. This is how it should look. Go between the inverted commas of the href tag and press Ctrl V and save your coding. Once you saved it, Ctrl S to save it. Then go to your web browser and reload your website. Then you will be seeing your image as the favicon website. You all can't see, if you all are doing this in the phone anyhow, you all can't see this. How to rename myself? No, Amit. You can't rename. Okay, but Shaki asked it in WhatsApp. Okay, if you don't have a laptop, you can listen. Yeah, fine. No PC, we'll try next week. Okay, right, fine. Okay, if you're done, raise the hands in the participants list. What about others? Akif, Alif, Akib, Razmi, Amhar, two Fatimas, Humaid, Raid Amar, Maria, Anas, Fatir, Muhammad Irshad, Ryan Harrison, Shakib, Simhan, Umar, Usman, Yashan. What about y'all? Do you all need time? Thank you, Amar. Do you all need time? No, I will no. Do you all need time or shall I move on? How to reload the saved file? Uh, press this button, man. Press this button or Control R. Should I join again? This meeting won't end in 40 minutes. It's paid, so you don't have to worry. Okay, Mohammed. Need time, bro. First time doing this. What is CSS meaning? CSS is Cascade Style Sheet. Ah, meaning can a CSS you all used to design the website. Which is better, Python or Java? Depends on the purpose. Show the coding. Okay. I can't see the image. Abdul Khalid, did you copy the image address and paste it between the href tags and did you save your file? Is it hard to design a website? Once you're done mastering the basics, it's very easy. HTML is very easy. After this, we'll be doing a PHP course. DSAS, yes. Can I know the advantages of learning the web designing course, please? You will learn to design a website simply. I never knew that. Thank you, Amir. Okay, so the next. Now, if you see our website, it looks plain, empty. Nothing is there. Only my first website, Kera, one image is there. So we'll start by adding some text. First, I want you all to learn the different types of headings. So H1. So the headings you define it in HTML using H. Okay, there are six sizes of headings. The largest size for a heading is H1. You open H1, close H1. Then you open H2, close H2, open H3. I know VS Code is very fast. We'll be using it after you master the basics, because if I use VS Code, it will automatically complete the code and you all will not get a practice in opening and closing. Can you show me how to check? Check what? Open and close the six HTML tags like heading tags like this. What time class finish? In a few minutes, I'll end it. After doing this heading and the paragraph, I'll end it. So once you all are done typing the H1 to H6 tags, I want you all to add some text between the tags. For example, I'm going to add this is my title. Then for easy purpose, I'll copy this and paste in. I prefer using the same text to everything. Paste in between the tags. Once you all are done typing this code, Control S again, go to your web browser and reload your website. Then you should be seeing something like this. This is your H1, the largest one. H2, H, sorry, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Did you all get that part? Yeah, for around day until day 4 or 5, we'll be doing basics. We'll be learning the basics of HTML. Then after that, we'll be moving to CSS. And by the 10th day, we'll be learning to develop a fully functional website. Rehab Rifki, I think Rihan will do that. You can contact me on WhatsApp regarding that. Yes, Samin. Once more. Okay, Abdullah, look at it. So in your body tag, I want you all to open a tag called H1. Close that tag. H2, close that tag. H3, close that tag. H4, H5, H6. Do that for 6 times. No, Karan Kerala, between the tags, I want to type any text you all like. But I prefer to use the same text between all tags so you all can learn the difference. Once you all have done typing this, Control S, oh sorry, press Control S, then go and reload it on your web browser. Can we take head to middle? No, head should be on the top. You can't take head inside the body. Head is different, body is different. As you all can see, to show the indentation, I have kept head and body in the same level. So it means that both of them are different sections. If we need, bro, if we need to increase the title font size more than this, we need something more than HTML or is there, yeah, we can do it using CSS. You can increase it. 100 px, fit with කියලා ඔක්කොම දාලා, you can fit your text until here and you can do it. No worries. Can you show the coding again here? So done. Understood? Okay. So after you're done typing the headings, after you're done creating your headings, I want you all to go to your coding and open a p tag. What a p tag does is it's like a paragraph. You use a p tag to type a paragraph. Okay, p tag एक open कर ले. You type a paragraph, any text. So I'm gonna be using the lorem ipsum text. You all can just type anything. You all can just type hello, this is your name, something. Type something. Okay, type कर ला. You all can save it. Once you are done typing anything, open the p tag. So you can see this is my coding. Open the p tag. Just use the tag. Open the p tag. Close the p tag. Then save it. Control S. Go to your web browser. Reload your file, and you should be seeing your 6 titles as well as your paragraph. Got it? Understood? Any questions? Again, please. Okay, I'll do the recording. Look at. So your coding should look like this after typing the 6 heading tags. So once you're done with that, I want you to open a tag called P tag. This tag is used to type paragraphs. Okay. Once you're done, open the P tag. As I said, you immediately close the P tag. Open Karana, first you close it. After closing, let's see the other works. Once you open a tag, you close it immediately. Once you close that tag, press Control. No, you just type some text. Randomly, you type some text. My name is blah blah blah. Kera. My name is Abdul Khalik. I'm a very good boy. Moka khare type karla. Okay, do something. Type some long sentences, and I want how to save it. Control S to save it. Then go to your web browser and reload it. Then you all should be seeing the text which you all typed here. H5 and paragraph looks the same. No, see here. This is not bold. The H5 tags, the heading tags are bold. The paragraph text is not bold. The size is same. You can see H5 and the not H5. It's like H4 name. H4 and the paragraph looks the same size only, but it's not same. You can see this is a bit bold. This is not bolded. Where's the image in your website? So the image is here. As you all can see, the image which we used is for the favicon. That's why we linked it in the head tag. If we link the same thing in the body tag, then we can see the image over here. We will be doing that in the next classes. We have not enough time today to do the images. So we'll be doing that in the next class. One last thing before the class ends. We'll be learning how to add an HTML comment. Can be this. H1, this is my title to the middle in the web page. No. Or you mean to center it, to take it to the center. Yeah, you can use center tags and get it to the center, or use CSS, it's fine. For example, I'll show it, this is only for that guy who asked that. We'll be learning this in the next upcoming weeks. To put center, then you can see that it's in the center. You can do that. No worry. How to see results of our coding? I didn't get your question. Okay. So now let's say again the old scenario. You save this HTML file. You don't read it for years and years. After some years, you forget the HTML language. Okay, you forgot everything. After you forgot everything, you open the file. Okay. One thing you have learned is to keep the indentation and keep it nice. Keep it nice. Sorry. So you can see our HTML tag is opening me. Okay, it's going in a flowchart next, so you can see that you can read it easily. So now let's see. You forgot what's H1 tag. You forgot what H tags do. So for the reference of the programmer only, you can type a note inside a comment inside your HTML file. The way to type a comment is you open an angular bracket. Okay, you open an angular bracket, use the exclamation mark, two dashes. Okay, once you type that, you can see that all of this text will turn to green. Why? That's because you haven't closed the tag yet. I want you to keep a small space. It's not necessary. Okay, I can keep on type titles of the website. Titles of the website. And to close it, I'll again use two dashes and the closing angular bracket. Got it? Understood? Understood? Did you all get it? Or shall I do it again? So I'll do it again for this. See. So why you use a comment? It's now I'll show you. I'll save this file. Make a save Kerala. I'll reload it. Reload my website. You all can see that you can't see the thing which I type. You can't see titles of the website. Kerala. You can't see it here. Why? That's because a comment is used to solely for the program only. It's used for the programmer's understanding. So this code does this care even after you open it after thousands of not thousands, not thousands. After you open it after decades, you can read your code and understand. This code does this. For basic codes, you all will not need a comment tag. But once your code JavaScript codes to reload the functions, we'll be doing. For example, if you take the website which I had created, this is for an e-commerce platform. So if you'll take this website, is my balance low? Okay. If you'll take this website, you all can see that once you're loading a small animation, may wage එකක් එනවා. So, okay. If I just scroll down and if I reload, it automatically scrolls me up. So these are all works which you can do with JavaScript in the website. So we'll be learning on how to do those. Yeah, it's like a short note for yourself. Yeah, exactly. It's like a short note for you all to understand the code. So like how you did it for the title, I wanted to do it for the paragraph. Open the angular bracket, exclamation mark, two dashes, paragraph, two dashes, close the angular bracket. How to see the results of our coding? Okay, Alif, the way to see is save your file. Save your file, then go click on file here. Click on file here, open in default viewer. Press that button, then you can see. Can we make a web at least like collaborates at the end of the course? Mohammed, you'll be making a website better than that. Not collaborates, you can see this website which I created is a dynamic website. Means that I have an admin panel to control the website. That means each and every time. The main difference between a static website and a dynamic website is that static websites, you use it for a blog, like a blog, uh, yeah, personal portfolio, blogs, like the blogs which you don't update content, fixed content about us. Then මේ වගේ page එකක් you don't need to update. You don't need to update the pages again and again. It's like fixed. Nothing changes. So if you're making a website like that, where the content doesn't change, you use static websites. But for an e-commerce website, you will be needing to change products. You will be, for example, let's say the price inflation comes and prices increase. You need to update the prices. So every time you can't be going inside the coding, editing the code, thousand, get a change. Currently, I'm a bad. You need an easy system for that. So this website is a dynamic website. We'll be creating a better static website than this. So the main advantage of a static website is that it is easy to code. Dynamic websites, you have to learn PHP. PHP is easy, not hard. It's easier than HTML. PHP, then you'll have to manage the database, connect the database. That will be doing in the next course. Should we keep a space after the two dashes? Yes. After the two dashes, keep a small space and type your note over here. Can you show the coding again? Here's the coding. Can we publish the website? Yes. After this course, you all will be learning to publish this website to a hosting provider, get a domain for your website. You will be getting a URL. For example, Ryan Harrison dot ඒ වගේ මොකක් හරි ඔයාලට ලැබෙනවා. So once that's along in the day 8 day 8, 9 or 10, not 10, 9 wage, we'll be learning to upload your website to the cloud. So you all can just type your URL and show your website to others. Also, if you all develop a very good website and receive a distinction wage level lega, we'll add a QR code to your certificate in which the users can scan. For example, let's say there will this certificate be useful. It will be useful, for example, in a CV. For example, tell you are going to do a degree in web designing. Uh, you all can show this certificate and is you can show this certificate and get a scholarship bucket. Is Pascal Adala for anything related to website, or is it just the beauty of Sri Lanka to add Pascal in order syllabus? Today, Pascal is not used in developing websites. How to create QR code, not related to web designing, but you all can go to Google and search QR code makers and create one. Okay. Did you all understand this part? To create a paragraph, sorry, to create a comment, did you all get it? Okay. How will we get the certificate? It will be, I think it will be e-certificates most probably. I'm not sure. It will be shipped or it will be e-certificates. Either one of them. Then. Is your website have a QR code? My website I didn't create it. It has a URL. Just go and search it. QR code is easy to make, man. Just takes 1 minute, less than 1 minute. Okay, so once you're done with that, the final task for the day, copy the paragraph tag which you had created. Okay, copy the paragraph tag which you created, go to the next line, and I want you all to paste that tag again. For example, if I type, my name is blah blah blah, I'm a very good person, I'm very nice, copy that exact thing and paste it to another line. Oh, there's some, okay. Paste to another line and save it. Once you saved it, go to your web browser and you all can see that your paragraph has appeared again. Got it? So now let's say you don't want the paragraph to be like this. At the current only, you want to break this paragraph after this full stop. You want to send this lorem ipsum is simply a dummy text of printing of the printing and typesetting industry. You want this to be one line, and lorem ipsum has been the industry standard dummy text in blah blah blah. This line to another line, this sentence to another line. How you all do that is you all go to your paragraph tag and simply after this typesetting industry කියලා තියෙනවනේ. After that, you'll open an angular bracket, type B, sorry, you'll open an angular bracket, type BR, close the angular bracket. So what this code BR does is that it indicates a break line. It means that the text has to go to a new line from this. Got it? So to check it, just press Control S to save it. Go to your web browser, reload your website. Then you can see that it has gone to the next line. Earlier it was like this. The reason why I told you to create two paragraph tags is to see the difference. When you see the difference and study, you can learn it easily. You can, if you all do this code by yourself, I assure that you don't need to memorize anything. If you all type it, sorry, don't you feel the BR, don't you feel sorry for the BR tag since he is a single tag. It's better to be single, Mohammed. Because see, all of these tags are paired tags. Let's imagine I missed one of these closing tag. Let's see what happens. Nothing happens. Okay, I'll leave it like that. For example, I'll imagine uh, I forgot to open this P. Let's save it and see what happens. Oh no, P is exactly same now. I'll not open this H3 tag and let's see if some different happens. See, what happened is, if you are single, it's better. You know why? You don't have to worry about the other thing. For example, now I have closed this H3 tag over here, but I haven't opened it. And you can see that website is showing some errors. It's not showing it as H3. It's just a normal text. So it's better to be single. So you don't have to worry about opening and closing. Need both parents for proper child. Yes, Rehab. Is there closing bracket after paragraph endings? Yeah, you can see PKL I have opened it and you can see I have closed it as well. I am single. Yeah, Kib, you'll be single forever. No worries. So that's it for today. That's it for today. Save your file in the Google form. I might request you all to upload your file which you have created today. Some days I'll tell you all, some days I won't tell you all. The reason for that is if I tell it daily, it's better if I ask you all to upload it daily. Yeah, better. So I can see who I should give the certificates, who are the lazy buggers here, might or will. Hmm, what shall we do? I will. Okay. How to save? Control S bound. Easy. Press Control S and save it. Then your task there, guy. Please don't do that because I didn't do it yet due to no PC. Okay, I'll do something like this. The worksheet you can submit without uploading your project. But I'll send another link. Another link. Okay, I'll send another link. You'll have to upload your projects there. Okay. So if you all don't have, if you all didn't do it live in the class, and for the guys who are watching the YouTube recording, the links will be available in the YouTube video description. Click on that, complete the worksheet and upload your project in order to get your certificate. Make sure if you don't have 50% of your score directly, even if you attend all the 10 classes, uh, even if you attend all the 10 classes and didn't upload the final project, didn't do the worksheet, they will not give you a certificate. We don't want attendance here, we want results. How to upload? It's a Google form. You have to press the upload button and choose your file. That's it for today, guys. This is the website which you all have created. How is the worksheet? Is it like the worksheet is a Google form? How to get the worksheet? We'll send the worksheet link to the WhatsApp group. NextGen's group ek inna one kattiya. What is the YouTube channel? It's NextGen Skills YouTube channel. I'll share that link too in the group. Any other questions? If you all have any questions, you all can stay and ask, or you all can leave. Will our scores be projected? Do you want it to be projected to others, or shall I give it private? So I'm not there in the group. Message me in WhatsApp. I'll add you there. Can I do it tomorrow? Yes, you can. Better you mail the link. Yeah, better. I'll mail it. I'll mail it and it will be sent in the WhatsApp group too. Is it? I know it's a Google form. Okay, it's an MCQ Google form. Yes. I leave bro సాపాడు. I leave bro సాపాడు ముఖ్యం. Okay, guys. And class is finished. If you all don't have it, if you all have any doubts, you all can stay. Others can leave. Bye bye. Good night. Bye bye bye. I didn't do because I don't have a laptop, will I get certificate? If you all didn't do the projects, obviously there's no question to ask. You all will not get the certificate. You can try it in the phone HTML online editors, but I'm not sure whether you all can do HTML online. Sure, 100% sure you all can do HTML online. You don't need Notepad++. You can do HTML online to just get the basics, understanding of the course. But you all can't be getting this favicon, this title icon, never give comma. You all can be programming and you all can be doing and uploading it to a host service. You all can't do it in a phone. Can I have the group link, please? Nilar, message me on WhatsApp. Now, this is my number. Guys who are not in the WhatsApp group, send me a message to this number. I'll add you all in the group. Welcome, Russian. Goodbye. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Add me. Add it. Send the message me in WhatsApp. Here the email. If you all have any questions, you all can ask. Others can leave. Thanks, bro. Good teaching. Thank you. What time will the MCQ be sent? In a few minutes. Who opens their mouth? if I'm not reading that. Thank you for spending time with us. Okay, goodbye. Thank you. Okay, bye bye. Good words. And don't have many. Moment, we'll do it little by little. Now only starting day one. For both even. I won't be able to send my file because I didn't upload Notepad. No. Okay, Usman. What you can do is you can watch the recording and download Notepad++. Type the code again, understand the part, and learn it. Then you can upload the project. Nice first time, bro. Thank you, Rehab. When is the deadline for MCQs? You all must do the MCQs before the next class. Thank you, thank you. The deadline before next class. Then you're teaching. Thank you, Mohammed. Did everyone, but we didn't reload it yet. I did complete codings, but I didn't reload it yet. Umar, you can just control S, save it, and reload it. If you all have any issues with your website, you all can contact me using the number. Not clear how to code. Open Notepad++, type the code, save it as HTML, open it on your web browser. Simple as that. Right, don't spam my chat. I'll remove you from the meeting. The deadline is before the next class. Bro, I only added one heading for the website because I don't need many headings. Is that an issue? No, Amar, it's not an issue. I added it to explain you the contrasting difference between the size of the website. Don't worry. In our final website, we will not be putting thousands of headings for as H1 HTML and we'll putting what suits. We'll make navigation bars. We'll do something nice and we'll do. And thank you, Mohammed. Goodbye. Bye. I'll stop the recording.